For the first time in 15 years, more than 11,000 movie and television writers in Hollywood's Writers Guild went on strike.
Walt Disney is set to eliminate thousands of jobs next week, including about 50.
And happening right now in the WREL Live Center, huge news. Epic Games says they are laying off hundreds of...
Major layoffs have begun at Pixar, the animation studio behind hit franchises like Toy
Works
Story.
Animation, SKG Inc. has begun a round of layoffs. A labor union set up.
Division has announced significant restructuring, including layoffs of 1,900 employees, representing roughly 8% of...
I felt very down and depressed that I could not prove my family.
ऊपर से 20% सैलरी कट हम होम लोन वाले हैं तो ना वो स्ट्रेस लेवल होता है कि यार बच्चे का स्कूल फी ये काफ़ी हर किसी का अलग अलग टेंशन था.
Where nobody is supporting you and nobody is believing in you, even if you have good intentions towards people.
Hello, my name is Sonal. I am an artist. Previously, I worked as a texture artist for 2 years and I have been an artist for almost 3 years now. I pursued my education from Arena Animations, Surat, and I also did a course in Noida, AAFT for animation.
हेलो, मेरा नाम नरेंद्र संभाजी सावंत है. मैं एनिमेशन इंडस्ट्री में 1997 से हूँ. अभी ऑलमोस्ट 27 इयर्स कंप्लीट हुए हैं मुझे ये इंडस्ट्री में. और मैं ये इंडस्ट्री में स्टार्टिंग मेरा करियर हुआ एज अ सेल कलरिंग आर्टिस्ट.
So myself Naresh Chaudhary, and I have started my animation career long back in 2010.
प्राउडेस्ट मोमेंट यही था कि मैं फास्ट लर्नर हूँ तो मैं काफ़ी अप्रोच जल्दी कर पाता हूँ मैं हर चीज़ों को. तो अभी मैं एक बार मुझे बेस्ट एनिमेटर का अवार्ड मिला तो मुझे अच्छा लगा कि हाँ एक मूवी के लिए.
So my proudest moment as an artist was when my lead came to me and said, you know, this is a very critical asset that we are doing and we don't have a lot of time for it, but as a team lead, I really trust that you can do it, you can pull it off, and I was able to do it in the given time frame. So it gave me a self boost that, you know, as an artist I am something and I can call myself an artist.
When I was working in one of the company, one of an animation studio, earlier I was working in some normal projects, and later on once I got placed into a project which was a DreamWorks project, and I felt like so proud being a part of that project. But yes, I enjoyed, and that was actually my proudest moment when I saw my name in that particular series.
Because of the recession, I lost my job twice. It affected me as that I had to, you know, switch my careers from as a texture artist to a slightly different domain of Unreal designing. And financial situation was really affected by all of this because I had to, you know, move away from the city because I did not have a lot of money going in. And even if I want to do something or I had to buy something, I had to think twice or wait a couple of months to take it, to buy it, and really feel guilty that, you know, I could have used this money for something more important.
There were tough times at the beginning because when I started there was recession in animation, so there were no jobs at that point in time. But gradually things started to happen better, and then I started growing. I started learning even more in the studios, And then gradually I improved my skills and I became a senior animator, and that's how the whole journey had been. It's been since 2010 I started learning, and since 2013 I am working.
अभी जो रिसेशन चालू है वो बहुत बैड सिचुएशन है रिसेशन का, क्योंकि नॉट ओनली इंडिया, पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये इसका इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है. और फिर भी मेरा जॉब है अभी तक, वो मैं स्टिल आई एम वर्किंग. बट इम्पैक्ट बोले तो अपना एक फैमिली है, तो किसी का जॉब जाता है तो फील तो होता है, बैड फील होता है कि अरे मेरे क्लोज फ्रेंड है, उनका फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. एज अ मेरा इम्पैक्ट इतना नहीं हुआ, इम्पैक्ट इतना कि इंक्रीमेंट नहीं है, किसी को महंगाई बढ़ रही है बट पगार नहीं बढ़ रहा है, जो भी है. तो बट फाइनेंशियल लोगों का दुख देख रहा हूँ मैं कि अरे सडनली जॉब गया है मेरा, भी होम लोन है, EMI है, अभी बच्चे का फीस भरना है. बट वो इम्पैक्ट वेरी बैड इम्पैक्ट है, क्योंकि फाइनेंशियल सिक्योर होना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Each day waking up knowing that I don't have a real job or anything to do which will provide for me financially, I got into a very dark place because all I did was apply for jobs and got rejected. It was very frustrating. So at that point I thought that I should really think about switching my career from art itself, like just going out of my way and doing something non-artistic, which I never thought I would do in my life. But then just grinding through it, just waking up each day with hope when you don't have anything is the difficult part of all of it.
If you haven't prepared yourself for that rainy day, how are you going to survive in that environment? And that is the exact thing which is going wrong currently. When I see people cribbing about there are no jobs, I am thrown out of the studio, I used to feel at that point in time when I was working, I used to feel the same way, that they are bad people, they are throwing people out of the studios. And later on when I came to the other side, I realized that this is the same thing everybody would do, isn't it? If you are owning a company, if things go bad, how can you give the money to others if you don't have it or you don't have any project? So it's not that. We need to be prepared as an artist, as an animator, that when things go wrong, I will do this. So you have a backup as well along with your animation thing. You need to have a backup. You need to have multiple skills which you can monetize, and you should also know how you can monetize.
कोई आने वाला नहीं है सुपर हीरो, आप ही सुपर हीरो. कोई आपको नहीं बचाने वाला है, आपकी फैमिली को ना कोई नहीं देखने वाला है, आपको ही देखना है. तो वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप उस पर ध्यान दो. हेल्थ यानी क्या है कि ऐसा नहीं कि स्ट्रेस सबको है, वर्ल्ड में सबको स्ट्रेस है, किसी को नहीं कि स्ट्रेस नहीं. बट उसको कैसे आप मैनेज करेंगे ना. अभी लॉकडाउन में तो क्या घर पे बैठने, तो एक्सरसाइज नहीं थी, वॉक नहीं था, खाना टाइम पे नहीं है, नींद टाइम पे नहीं है. और हम लोग एनिमेशन के बहुत पैशनेट लोग हैं, खाना भी भूल जाते हैं, जो भी है. तो वो टाइम पे करो, खाना खाओ टाइम पे सो जाओ और हैप्पी रहो. और अपना जो फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी है ना, वो पक्का होना चाहिए. नहीं अपना मेडिक्लेम होना चाहिए, या आप कहीं इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, म्यूचुअल फंड हो, क्योंकि इमरजेंसी में आज बहुत लोगों के जॉब गए, तो वो सेविंग इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो वो क्या होता है ना कि 6 महीना 7 महीना अपने पास एक बैकिंग होना चाहिए कि आपका EMI निकल जाए. अभी AI का टाइम है तो ठीक है, अभी जॉब आएंगे तब सब रेगुलर हो जाएगा, बट बाद में लोग भूल जाएंगे. बट वो मुझे एडवाइस देना चाहता हूँ कि वो एटलीस्ट अपना फैमिली सिक्योर करो, क्योंकि कोई आने वाला नहीं है आपको हेल्प के लिए. आप ही आपके फैमिली के सुपर हीरो, बस इतना ही बनना चाहता हूँ.
In this current scenario, as a constant evolving world, as a constant evolving industry, we have to be like water, like turn as the industry turns, twist as the world changes, and really be adaptable.
Okay. See, everything is unpredictable, right? Everything is unpredictable. Now, even if I'm speaking, you are watching me, this is something, it's gone, right? What I spoke 1 minute ago is gone. So what is going to happen next, nobody knows about it. So what can we do as an artist or as anybody, as a person in our career, in our life, specifically as we are talking about animators? So what we can do is we can be prepared for the future instead of just sitting back that
आखिर में जो होता है ना अच्छे के लिए ही होता है, क्योंकि हम वहाँ से ही सीखते, कुछ बुरा हुआ ना तो उससे भी सीखना चाहिए कि क्यों बुरा हुआ और आगे नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए अपने को क्या प्रिकॉशन लेने हैं। क्योंकि क्या ना अभी एग्जांपल मैं बताऊंगा ना, कोविड के टाइम पे इतना बुरा हालत था कि हमको कहीं लगा ही नहीं था कि दुनिया ख़त्म हो जाएगी, ऐसे ही लोगों ने सोचा था, क्योंकि इतने लोग देश विदेश में लोग मर रहे हैं, इंडिया में भी किसी के पास पैसा नहीं था, बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम था पूरे वर्ल्ड में। तो अभी ये सिचुएशन एआई की भी सिचुएशन है, हमको लग रहा है कि यार कहीं इंडस्ट्री हो गई, ख़त्म हो गई, बट नहीं, आएगी इंडस्ट्री, वापस ग्रो होने वाली है। क्योंकि कोविड में सोचा ही नहीं था ना किसी ने कि अरे वापस हम बिना मास्क के घूमेंगे, तो है सब रेगुलर हो गया, तो ये भी रेगुलर होने वाला है। तो वो टेंशन नहीं है कि सोचते नहीं बैठना है, काम करते बैठना है, बस अपने नया नया कुछ सीखते बैठना है, उतना ही है और कुछ नहीं।
Just coming up here and speaking about all the challenges and how we can change it, and in a hope of that we build a community, me and you sitting there and watching this, coming together and saying that no, this is not right, or finding opportunities is what I really want for all of us. That as an industry we don't compete with each other but strive together in a very flourishing environment, because there is work and we all together can do it. But because of this competition that we have amongst ourselves is where we are lacking. So I would really like for us as a community to come together and take a step forward.
I will rise.
I will rise.
I will rise again.